So friends, I bought a iPhone 13 Pro model, pine green here, and with that I also ordered a Tauri case cover cell phone for my smartphone. It basically comes with a three part. One part is to cover my camera here, which is like this, and then it comes with a shield on the top of my glass, and then it comes with a cover as well. So I'll show you the contents first. So it comes with a two camera shield here. There are some instruction manuals here, some stickers, and this is the phone cover. Okay, and this is the, I think, the ring on which goes on the back, and then we have these two glass shield. So basically it comes with a two glass shield, two camera cover, and one and kind of a main cover. So I will going to install it and then I'm going to show it. So I'm going to go to this manual. It says for the installation video go to tauricase.com pages videos.5. I'm going to review that and I'm going to install it. But in nutshell, what you have to do is that we have this wet wipes here. Using the wet wipes, you need to clean up your surface here, and then using a dust absorber, you need to put a dust absorber. I'm going to show you as I do it. So let me start the process here. Let me look at the video and then I will start my process and will demonstrate to you as well. Thank you. Now I'm going to open this wet wipes and I'm going to clean it. So just take one wet wipe from this one and just open this, and okay, here you go. Open this wet wipe completely. Okay, and now clean the screen of your iPhone 13 like this. You'll see a lot of water coming up, but that's okay. Don't worry about the water. It's like it will capture all the dirt, so make sure you take it all through the edges here. Once you're all done, you have to take out this piece of cloth and you keep this on one side once you're done, and wipe it like this. It will absorb all the extra water from here. Now as you see, you are done. Now you have to take another step here. Now with another step here, you will see this sticky glue stick. So you open one of the glue sticks, so make sure that it captures the extra dirt in case if it is there. So this is called a dust absorber here. You take this dust absorber, open this dust absorber, you can make it like this, and make sure you go through the edges. It will take all the dirt, or you can even do like this, especially through the edges, as I always say. Once you're done, take out one of the screen protector. Okay, you will see on the screen protector there will be a small sticker here, and this sticker will go on the back here. So you peel the sticker here and you will see there is you can peel the sticker here, and with that a small amount of glue you can see on the back, and then you have to make sure that you see here, I can peel it off. This is a kind of a glue here, so this goes and get attached to a screen here. So this is your screen here. So even before you do that, let's see, take it out, just practice. Okay, it will go like this. If you see small dust here, don't worry, you already have the duster, so I'm going to use my duster to take that off. And this dust is probably on the top, so now you peel it off. You see, okay, it's all peeled off. Keep it on the side. Now put this one here. Be very particular about this. Make sure it is going all the way correct, and in case if something is not correct, you can always peel it and adjust it. Okay, you can always peel that and adjust. See, I put it here. Now what you should do, you should gently lift it here from one side. Just gently lift it from your thumb and release it. Now you will see all the water. See, you see the moisture is coming out from that edge. Okay, now it is all done. Now you take again this and just make sure you pressure it nicely. Yeah. Okay. So my screen cover is all done. My screen shield is all done. Wait for some time. Okay, I can show you as well. See here. Perfectly done now. And wipe it through the edges everywhere. You're done. And now it is all good. Now we are going to do the camera part here. So for the same camera part, we just start clean it, wipe it nice and clean. And then the same duster. Make sure you clean it up nicely and thorough. And then using your dust catcher, you can catch the extra dirt as well. So where is my dust catcher? I just kept it somewhere. Oh, here it is. Here is my dust catcher. I am going to use my dust catcher. This is just, we are trying to be overcautious here. But it's good. Keep your dust catcher back again in case if you need it again. Now what we will do, we are going to take my, now see my alarm has rang up, so I need to probably pause it. So I'm going to open my camera shield here. And how do you open that? Okay, let me see how do you open my camera shield here. This seems to be quite good. Let me see, how do you, sapphire coating softy bare layer. Okay, so you can open that. Okay, there is a opening here. Okay, see, you just peel it off. I'm going to peel that off. Okay, trying to be very gentle here. Oh, and then you fix it on your camera. I think it's self-explanatory. It goes over like this here. See here, on top of this one, big rings goes over the big ring, small ring goes over the small ring, as always. I'm just trying to be making sure. Okay, see, I put the camera shield on top of this one. After that, once you're done, you can again wipe that off. Yeah. Okay, I'll show you how does it look here. You can see. Now you take your this one, the whole cover here. Take out your whole cover here. You can see the cover here, and you will see a small shield inside here. You can take that off. The white one, you can see here the white one. You just rip that off. You can see that. Yeah, it will come off like this. You just put it on this one, and you just put this one down here. Okay, now you will see a small ring here. You open this small ring. Okay, I take out this small ring. Again, you will see a small white portion here. You can take that out here, but even before you do it, make sure that you will see see here, you can peel this off here nicely and done. And then you put this ring on top of this one here, and then you peel this screen off and put your phone, and you should be all set. I'm going to do it, and then I will demonstrate how does my phone ring here on this one. After that, I peel the inner part, peel this off, and put my phone inside, and I should be all set and done. one second, little bit hard here. Okay, all set and done. So I hope you like my video. It's just this screen looks perfectly fine. Everything looks great. This is awesome. I hope you like my video. So please do like and subscribe. Thank you.